earthquake. Please evacuate yourselves immediately.
Dude, we gotta prepare our stuff.
Alright, bet.
What are the right things to do before, during, and after an earthquake? Find out here on our Earthquake Safety Guide. When informed of an upcoming earthquake, it is always best to firstly prepare all the essentials you need in case of emergency. Secondly, make sure to evacuate to a safety area, as we are not aware of when these earthquakes may occur. Oh, what's this?
Dude, Sam, calm down, don't panic.
What do you mean don't panic? It's an earthquake.
Dude, come on, we gotta think fast.
When you are outside and you are struck by an earthquake, find the nearest table in your area. This table may serve as your safety roof during this type of catastrophe. Once you're under something safe, remain calm until catastrophe is done.
Is it done?
Looks like it's calmed down now. Looks like we have to evacuate to the parking lot.
Once the earthquake has calmed down, escort yourselves to the evacuation area immediately. Do not wait for any aftershocks. Take in mind that the most suitable safe areas for earthquake disasters are open spaces.
Dude, we just survived an earthquake.
Absolutely.